Using Klarna on Expedia is a convenient way to book your travel plans and split the cost into manageable payments. To get started, first create an account on Expedia and browse for your desired travel plans, including flights, hotels, or package deals. Once you have selected your travel plans, proceed to the checkout page. On the checkout page, you will see a list of payment options. Select Klarna as your payment method and you will be redirected to the Klarna website. If you do not have a Klarna account, you will need to create one by providing some basic information, including your name, email address, and payment details. Once you have logged into your Klarna account, you will see a breakdown of your payment plan options. Klarna offers several payment plans, including paying in full at checkout, paying in 4 installments, or financing your purchase over a longer period of time. Choose the payment plan that works best for you and review the terms and conditions. After selecting your payment plan, you will be prompted to confirm your payment details and agree to the terms and conditions. Once you have confirmed your payment details, you will be redirected back to the Expedia website, where you will receive a confirmation of your booking. It is essential to note that Klarna may perform a soft credit check to determine your eligibility for their payment plans. This will not affect your credit score, but it will help Klarna to assess your creditworthiness. Additionally, late payments may incur fees and interest, so it is crucial to make your payments on time. To avoid any issues with your payment plan, make sure to review the terms and conditions carefully and understand the repayment schedule. You can also log in to your Klarna account at any time to view your payment schedule and make payments. By following these steps, you can easily use Klarna on Expedia to book your travel plans and split the cost into manageable payments. Remember to always review the terms and conditions carefully and make your payments on time to avoid any issues with your payment plan.